Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with tonight's show. Alright, for the press conference where Arteta make it get, so the transcripts are out, so I can pick some important areas. For example, Arteta they talk about we going to Old Trafford, our plan. That to go there to go beat Manchester United. We know they go there so we won't go follow the play. So when you look at the second, I think the second paragraph of the press conference, it said on the chance to get wins from difficult games early on. Because when you look at our first 6 games, we get tough games first. So I think I can say yes, 100%. It's a big opportunity to go to Old Trafford on day one and go there and play the way we want to play and win the game. That's the focus and the energy. Now, on if Arteta is excited as he was ahead of previous seasons, I think it gets you more and more excited, and the more I spend time with the players and the staff, the more reason they give me to come every single day with a big smile on my face, with a lot of energy. I'm very enthusiastic about what we do. I'm very privileged. Now, on if there is more pressure on us, Arsenal, to win the league this season. All right, the way the team be, you got to keep digging and digging. You have to keep digging because one day the gold is going to be there. That's all the time what I've been taught. I've been educated, and that's it. For 3 seasons, we have more points than any other team in this league. It's incredible. That's why we have all the consistency. Now we have to do it in the season to earn 1 more points or the same amount of points and more goal difference than any other team. You get, and that one self, it resonates with me. Now, on whether Martin Zubimendi will be available for Sunday, you get. So you say yes, he had a great integration, as everybody can see this immediately. He had a great big impact on the team. I'm really happy, and he will be fit for the match we won't play on Sunday. Now, on getting the best version of Gyökeres, he said we want to do everything. First of all, understanding the player and exposing the player to the conditions that he can fulfill his incredible potential. Then that's going to be the key. And the good thing is that many players, many strikers, they have come from different leagues. They have come here to the Premier League and have been successful. And it's for us to create the right context for Gyökeres to do what he does best, which is what? To score goals, which is all roads leads to Victor Gyökeres. Now, on whether there is a fight between Gyökeres and Kai Havertz for the number 9 position, I think I say it's always good. I play with 11 players. There are going to be some players on the bench that are going to be used, some others that cannot be used, some players that are going to have to lift in the stands. That's the next level that we are going to face, something that we probably haven't faced before. I've had a lot of you that you have to play. No, I've had a lot that you have 2 players in 2 positions. But the reality is that we have 3 or 4 players because there are players that can play different positions as well, players that are versatile. It's going to be about earning the right to play, to compete. And when you don't have the chance to do that, to cooperate in the right way with any teammates to improve the level, it's going to happen to all of them because the season is going to be demanding. That the first week is going to be a little bit different, but the moment you start playing 3 times a week, it's going to flow in a natural, like in a really natural way. Now, on whether we get enough for the attacking midfield, they say yes, I think we have versatility, very different qualities in relation to the opposition as well. We can manipulate the things that we have because you see many players they will say God do one for them. They did very versatile. Now, on waiting Tony Adams, they talk. They ask Arteta about Odegaard being our captain. Arteta says, see, my opinion is clear. In fact, it's not just my opinion. It's all the staff and especially the players. Okay, last week I asked them to vote for the new captain. And the results just came out yesterday by a mile. By a big 100 marks. Everybody's choosing the same person, which is Odegaard. Which is the most clear sign that you can have. How they feel about who has to be their captain to defend, improve, and win the matches that we want to win. So there's no question about that. In fact, when I even watched the press conference, when Arteta talk this thing, I was like, wow, the players really they convince say Odegaard is the right man to lead them forward. Now, whether waiting Tony Adams talk push all of them to vote for Odegaard, I don't really know, because all of them they see that video. Arteta see the video. You get, so all this way Tony Adams talk, it is immaterial. The players have chosen their leader, and that's so it will be. Nobody Arteta go impose the leader on the team. So that's so it be. So now, on how much Arsenal they support him, Arteta, in the transfer window, say it's not just about supporting me, of course, but supporting the team, supporting the vision, the idea, and especially the ambition and the level that we are playing, the competition we have, and what we expect to do. So we have to improve the squad. We have to improve the quality and the depth of the squad, and we certainly have done it in a really great way. You get. So finally, the last slide where I just crop out on Leandro Trossard's availability, because the only Trossard is the first way I feel say he gets injury questions. You get. So I think I can confirm say yes, Trossard is much better. I think he's going to be able to train again tomorrow, and if that's the case, he will be fit to play. So that one go well. Everything. I just like the fact that I think I talk very, very well. Yes. Now I think I'm going to talk about the new rules so that they ask him. So you're going to say, no, say last season, the new rules of last season, we say make you no touch ball, make you not do something, not do that one, they don't blow whistle, no touch ball, those kinds of things. It really, really affected us in the first few weeks. They're going to ask Arteta, say this one we say don't put new rule. Hope say it not going to affect it at this time again. I think I got to say, well, it was a very particular and it only lasts for a few weeks, and we were really, really punished for those few weeks, and hopefully it won't happen again. So when I talk all those, I myself, I did very, very happy. Now, he can't get waiting Charles Watts talk. When in the reacts to Arteta's press conference, he put out this video. Look at the headline. Arsenal latest news. Zubimendi injury updates. When I see this video, I watch him. I put the one that say, she Zubimendi get injury, we no can know. Like, who tell him? Now, what's going to talk say in the year? You get to in the year say Zubimendi get injury. Say no go play against Manchester United. Now, Arteta talk about Zubimendi for a press conference. Zubimendi they okay. What's going to talk for this in your video? Say, in case you don't know, Arteta sabi lie. He talk cannot be saying me they carry talk. He say Arteta sabi lie for press conference. Say if he be say true, Zubimendi get injury. But Arteta can't give us boo. But make them go get evidence to counter waiting what they talk, because when you go to the Arsenal website, today's date 15 for the training session we didn't do, Zubimendi was there in high spirits. So I'm not going to understand. You know, after the training, he can't get the injury. I'm not like clear. So I'm not going to understand. So now we'll see tomorrow. Look at the picture. Don't be Zubimendi, that I've been my they pay me. So and many pictures also, because the pictures plenty. I just screenshots, small wag of face screenshots. But I know Zubimendi was there. I saw him. He did there. So I don't understand waiting. Baba, Zubimendi did there. We carry and throw for back. So I don't know, but we'll try to get patience till when lineup don't come outside for Sunday. We will play tomorrow and Saturday. Sunday, what we will play, we will see the lineup. Make we know whether this person will give Charles Watts the news, whether the person they talk true or whether not lie. Because the thing will hear me like. It shocked me, yes, but more just the word. Now for the training session, I saw Max Doman. Don't resume in holiday, don't come back, so you don't follow them. They train, you get. But this guy said, this they confuse me. Whether I go play, because some people they talk that I go play against man, I been no go play, I been never the eligible. Whoa. I know just put my for that one, make I just watch. If they're eligible, fine. If you know they fine. I don't get any problem with that one. Okay, I think I'm taking this story because they can't be like the major deals. Everybody, Tony Adams can't make this issue like a big issue. Everybody now going to talk about the Arsenal car, Odegaard. Say, the team don't choose Odegaard. Everybody don't choose Odegaard. Daily Mail carrier. I think Chris Whitley carrier. This one said Arsenal player voted for Odegaard to keep captaincy. Chris Whitley. Oh, Mikel Arteta confirms Arsenal captain for the season. Like something we be saying no be big news. All of a sudden they can't turn big news because of what's in Baba the top. Well, it is what it is. Now, away from that. All right, so in that training session where Arsenal do today, this video, it come out again. I know if you post the video because the people who get the video, they aren't tight. They didn't let them post anything they didn't get. Now, for the training where they do today, they do shooting drill. For that shooting drill, Lonnie Madueke was shooting, Declan Rice was shooting, Saka was shooting, Gyökeres was shooting. Gyökeres beat all of them. Goalkeeper go there for post. person go just pass ball for you. Your job now control am first, wipe am. So now you can know how you take control am. See bomb wey Gyökeres dey fire. Baba beats them. Again, as you can see on the screen, Victor Gyökeres comes out as champion in an Arsenal shooting competition today and beating the likes of Saka, Madueke, Ite-Nwaneri, Declan Rice on the Madueke. Okay, I've said that. So now, another person already surprised me for shooting. No need a shoot. No need a shoot. See one spectacular going jam. I jam this bar. Mine just enter. No need a shoot. But my mom be say, you can no be for only training session, Baba. We won't see how when match start. Show working from outside. Boom. We won't see am say no be there for training. So now my own prayer be that God will go and they will give some kind of pass where we say you go fit display. Now, Dean James going to give us another news. Say, see, Fenerbahce and Arsenal have reached an agreement on Zinchenko when negotiations begin after a formal 10 million euros bid was made by the Turkish side. So Porto said they follow Arsenal, they talk. They say they like the guy. In fact, I'm not gonna lie for you. I saw this comment because I know say after that interview where Zinchenko drop, in exits was supposed to be imminent. Now what you do Thomas Partey? She better tell now. After Thomas Partey run that interview that year, Baba no waste time. He find a Fante. So this one too, I expect them. I know they any bit surprised. Get even football on themselves carry the story. Agreements reached. You get so. Arsenal reportedly finalized the transfer agreements with Fenerbahce, although it's not yet official, but it's in the works, and so many media houses are reporting the story. So all things being equal, maybe everywhere goes stew for the guy. Now, as I watched Arteta press conference, I also watched Amorim press conference today. So they're going to ask Amorim about Gyökeres. See what he talk. They say Victor is in a different league. The physicality is different. In Sporting, they have a very good group of scouting, because we get from that the player that they can buy and they can sell to survive and then sell to survive. I think he's a very good player. He's going to give different characteristics. It's going to be different if we face in the beginning of the game, if we face Victor or Kai Havertz, for example. So we need to be prepared for that. But it's not a surprise to watch Victor in a big club in England. Yes. So Arteta self, they ask him about Gyökeres. Arteta refused to answer. I said, I don't talk about players that are not playing for me. They are not playing for Arsenal. Or you talk about those who we get here, you get. So that's the difference. I think I like to chook mouth to avoid controversy, you get. So you see that match, I'm more than talk on that and say Benjamin Sesko is ready for Arsenal, like he can't wait. I think I said they talk yourself, say, Gyökeres is ready. So tomorrow, they always come to. Just like everything come tomorrow, say. I don't know why they even put that on Sunday, but now till Sunday, we'll go wait, we'll see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, as I record this video like this, Liverpool they play with Bournemouth. Yes, so in the morning I talked about Liverpool and Wolves, but that was an error. So it's Liverpool and Bournemouth. Now Man City they play Wolves. So Liverpool as I record this video, they win 1-0 like this. Yes, so only God know how the thing will end. So I can't check what's the color Bournemouth. Look, I come on this picture first. I check Bournemouth team. They don't go select players there like ShopRite. In Hodgson come out there. Il Barini, la beauty they call that way. When the PSG come back that one, Kara come out there. Then one other player again, Milo Kerkes will come out there go Liverpool. They play against the former team. Like 3 of the back 4 come out. They can't sign new players. Player when they all signed like 2 days ago, they play sharp Zakite. So I just the pity for Andoni. It's quite unfortunate. You know, really get a say. There's nothing they can do. So that's what just be one of the striker Quintera, beauty be named. But she been at today, Fabrizio and Romano announced here we go, don't run go Brentford. It's quite unfortunate for them. So that's so it be. Most of all the small teams, once they beat like this display, once markets come, they will just select everybody there. Next season they'll don't ship Packer. So only God know. Now, it get what's in our show now. See the squad where Liverpool they used to play Bournemouth. Look at the first 11. Now look at the bench. How strong do you think this bench is? You see when they turn and talk say Liverpool without Isaac, this team like this no will make up for. This team, where they see like this, impossible, because the EPL is a marathon, it's not a sprint. This team like this, and they tell you, somebody was even saying it on TalkSport, say this Liverpool team, they no will make top 4 without Isaac, and I conquer 100. Because look bench now, Baba who the bench? Mention one name for that bench now, we go scare me. Our bench, see, like our bench pass all these people in the year. Who you won't call there? Will be senior man there. Mention that person. Robertson, I don't know. The guy blessing at age, don't do him. I don't know. They don't really get that to the backbone. But I don't turn Benjamin. But they say last season I with Trent, Ibera, now Benjamin. So me, when I tell them something, say, see their defense, they never still understand themselves. That mean Lokerkes and that Freakpong will just come. How Freakpong gone? The guy just the better. Baba they forget saying be fullback, he say be winger. I just they laugh at me with some more play. You mean like say I go Facebook as Sakabi. Go see that. Oh, that's not Kerkes, na go face Saka. Ah, man, for like making him because the guy overlap man. So but unless they buy players before the transfer window closes, but if they don't buy, saying like this, they won't carry enter the season. They see top 4 go surprise. I mean they tell you because injuries will come. You will need to rotate, and when you rotate, the quality is going to drop drastically. You don't go use this first 11 every week. January go come, maybe December now. Salah go run go in African Nations Cup. Baba, na Ekiti Pikin na go get Ekiti Pikin, Kodi Gakpo, who remain? Chila after the coach, yes, I wish it back. I don't go. When God just do for them, they no sign. We they observe them go. Now, we can't hear say Stuttgart. They don't agree deal with another player. Instead of Fabio Vera, who they expected them go buy, who they raise money. That one said it shocked me. So Fabrizio Romano called let us to say Thiago Thomas is on his way to Stuttgart from Wolfsburg in a 12.9 million deal, which is 50 million euros. Now, Vieira is one of the several French players expected to depart Emirates Stadium, but I don't know. This is why we say Stuttgart don't go sign another person to replace that their player will come out. So at the end of the day, what will happen to Fabio Vieira? I don't really know. Your guess is as good as mine. So, and the Goldstein explains Liverpool. Okay, now Goldstein talk that thing. I don't say I watch him today now. Say Goldstein say Liverpool will finish 4th at J unless they sign Isaac. And this, in your opinion, 100, it resonates with me. Now the same feeling. Me and we take the same WhatsApp group for that one at J. Now, Ali McCoist and Fletch, they can predict how today's game will be. So my own focus now, the Arsenal game gets. So McCoist give us a 3-1, then Fletch give us 1-1. You know the funny thing? Of all the people who are down here when they predict this Arsenal versus Manchester United match, now only Gary Neville. Now he talks say man you will beat us. Every other person on paper, because nobody get crystal ball or nobody will happen on Sunday. But on paper, only Gary Neville now talks say they will beat us. Every other person, it is either a draw or Arsenal go win because they feel say Arsenal have a better team than Manchester United. Man, you just the pack players, individual players from nowhere to see whether they go fit gel. We get his core. You get stability already. You just want to sprinkle some toppings, and that toppings now just matters Mendy and Victor Gyökeres. The rest they know themselves. But Man U first 3 day for the midfield gone. You can see Holmesland. That be Holmesland. This guy will be midfielder for sports in this one. Since Man U cannot get Baleba, so then they talk say they won't get that guy because Tony Bloom, who is the president of Brighton, has said Baleba is not for sale. They don't already tell Manchester United. Man U don't agree. So okay, we can't get him. They don't sign reported it. So they tell them say maybe next summer, we'll go face it. But for now, he's not for sale. So they look for that Holmesland where they play for Sporting Lisbon now. They go there for the midfield to play with Ahmad, Bruno Fernandes, and whoever it is want to, and Dorgu get Dorgu. Now they want to play there, but when they watch, we'll see how all these things going forward at the end of the day. Now, breaking, Brighton informed Man U that Baleba is not for sale. I just said that, so no need to waste time on that. Let's move on. Now, I can watch another press, like not a press conference, like let's say an interview where Sky Sports do with Odegaard. So, Odegaard, when they talk about the pressure to actually win the Premier League, say it motivates me. We are in a position where second is not a failure, but we want more. It shows that if we improve just a little bit, we will get there. It's extra fire in the belly. The second, we finish. Now, what will motivate us to finish first? Now, people like Martin Keown, when they talk, say, see, if Arsenal have their best chance of winning the Premier League trophy since 2004, that's the question posed to him. He can say, yes, without doubt. It's about belief. When you come second so many times, it takes a special group of players to retain belief. There can be no excuses. Everybody expects us to actually win the league now. Nobody is you, but we expect to win it now. ESPN, you can going to bring out pictures of Manchester United versus Arsenal, how the pictures, like how it has always been heated between Arsenal and Manchester United. In fact, the one which stand out for me now, McCallum towering like a giant over Bruno Fernandes. That one is very, very iconic. Like, now, so the view, if they carry you go back in the day, go see Martin Keown hold we don't have Van Nistelrooy, people with that, so I will throw I say one snide the guy. So that's what it always be. We don't get our rivalry. No be say we be neighbor, no be like we and Spurs. Our own are just hate. Say they don't like us, we get invisibility. They don't feel they don't get harm. We get. So you remember the other day they were showing I think it was who did that person? Oh, I don't forget that person when they talk say he hates some Arsenal players for no reason. This Manchester United winger where they say he go date his brother wife. Anyway, make I not enter that story. I don't his name just you don't escape from my head now. This winger anyway, make I leave that story. That one and gossip. Now let's move on. So away from this, let's bring you the first message from one of our sponsors. So Mobile World Associates and Co. Limited. So they provide construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate and shore protection works, and they are into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please, you can reach out to them. So the person who we talk about before I talk about maybe what Ryan Giggs, we talk saying he hates Arsenal players for no reason. So as I talk about Mobile World, to just come back to my head. Now I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So the biggest news of the night, and in fact, I think that's when they go Old Trafford to go beat Manchester United. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning. So thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night and I'm out. All right, guys. Ciao. I will watch Liverpool match.